What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna do a little something different, more vlog, sit down, just talking to the camera style. I'm right here in my office and I want to just experiment with different things with content and just documenting more of what I'm doing, what I'm thinking, where I'm at right now with life and business and everything. So hope you like this video. Stay tuned for the rest of this video where I'm going to talk about the different things I've learned from business, entrepreneurship, and my technical game plan to reach $1 million, to become a millionaire with my businesses. So stay tuned for this video. Cool, so I'm in my office right now and I'm going to talk to you about my game plan to become a millionaire. So I'm currently in my 20s. I live in Southern California right now. And what I'm doing is I'm running a marketing agency like any other SMMA out there, right? So that's kind of how I started. But what I've done before that was building out different applications and softwares. And my long-term goal has always been in the software route. And one thing I've realized from different influencers, entrepreneurs, agency owners in the space is they start off with their agency, they build it up to 50K a month, 100K a month, whatever, and then they end up selling it. And then they teach people how to run it and basically build and run an agency. So, and then a lot of the times what they end up doing is they end up working on software and making that the main thing. So if you think of an example like 𝗖𝗪 𝗪𝗁 where, you know, he built up his brand, he built up his agency, he's sold it, and now he's more in the info product space where he's, you know, teaching people how to run an agency through his educate platform. And then he also has his software platform. And one thing I've learned from business entrepreneurship is the power of leverage. So 𝗪𝗁 𝗪𝗁, he has some tweets and a book written about him where he talks about leverage, and he talks about it in different other podcasts. But he says that to get rich, you need leverage. And the different forms of leverage are code, content, capital, collaboration, community. They all start with C's. 𝗪𝗁 𝗪𝗁 also talks about this in some of his videos. But what I'm betting on heavily is on code and content. Those are the two things I'm placing all of my bets on and what I'm working on. So like I mentioned earlier, we have a marketing agency, an SMMA essentially, where we specialize in running paid ads for our clients. We also specialize in go high level, build and optimization, sales funnels, and all of that. So that's our current business that we're running, but all of the profits from that business, we're essentially using them and reinvesting them into our software. So that's kind of the game plan there. So reinvesting that to our software to build our software. And our software, it is a software for agency owners, so for marketing agencies. So a few of the problems I saw while I was running my agency, this software is trying to solve that. Some of those features are going to be automatic reporting for clients on your ads performance and all of that. Another one is like using AI to help you optimize and analyze your ads, making it easier for you to collaborate with team members on running client ads. And then other things like ad creative optimization, how to analyze which ad creatives are performing the best, how to get new ideas for new ad creatives, how to save different ads from the ad library to your different boards on the platform so you can get new ideas and all of that. So that's the game plan there. And how I'm going to do that is kind of what I mentioned is code and content. So there's a platform called School that Sam Ovens and 𝗪𝗁 𝗪𝗁 are, Sam Ovens created it, 𝗪𝗁 𝗪𝗁 partnered up, and now they're just blowing it up. My game plan is to go heavily on the content side and hosting that on School and building the community. So that's the leverage part where I can I can create a video like this and hundreds of people can see it. Hopefully hundreds, thousands of people can see it. I can create it once, post it, and it can live forever on YouTube. And, you know, I can also reuse it and post it in different formats for Instagram, for Twitter, all of that stuff, right? So it's content, using content as leverage. Well, this piece of content that I'm creating, I can create really good, valuable pieces of content, put it on a platform like School, and then on School, I can build a community. And through that community, I can use that as my funnel for my other services. I can use it as a way to build my brand, and it's another form of leverage, right? So we have content as leverage, we have community as leverage, and then we have code, which is the software. So if I can basically keep working and improving all of these things and just stay laser focused, I'm pretty certain I can become a millionaire through these businesses and through these methods of leverage. So code, content, community, those are the three things I'm placing major bets on for myself. And in terms of the platform and the software, my background is in computer science, software engineering. So I mainly work on this, and we actually have someone else working on this as a developer. More recently, we brought them on, and now they're kind of writing some code. But that is currently in the beta stage. We're getting pretty close to get approval from Facebook. Once we get approval from Facebook, we can basically have anyone join the platform, and all of that. So we're working towards that. The agency is going great. I'm learning a lot of the new things. And then today, on this day, actually, I'm going to start building out the School community. So let me show you a sneak peek of what that looks like and how my thought process on how I'm building it. So this is a School community that I'm basically repurposing it. It was my community for my private clients. Now I'm going to make it open to everyone. And then here, what I'm doing is I'm creating the About page. Actually, let me refresh this. It should be updated. Bam, look at that. So now I have the offer, the About page, Go High Level Masterclass, normally link, Notion for business optimization, Slack for remote teams, bonus, weekly live mastermind call, custom GPTs for business automation, access to a community of six-figure entrepreneurs, blah, blah, blah. So that's the offer there. And then here I have some links, a description. Right now, I haven't gotten anyone to pay to join this community. So my game plan is this is a lesson I learned from 𝗖𝗓 𝗪𝗁, is basically like give it out for free, then charge $1, then charge $5, and charge $10 to just go up from there. So literally $1 to join this, and we'll see whoever joins this for $1 will get really lucky. And then over here on this end, let me show you, blah, blah, blah. Cool. So on this end, I have the School community funnel project in my Notion. And then here, this is a GPT kind of template that I use to help me get some ideas for the modules. Here's the modules: Go High Level Masterclass, Notion for business optimization, Slack for team management, building and managing remote teams, improving sales with AI. Here are some different communities where I'm kind of getting some inspo from. One of the best communities I've found online is this Max free community, where I actually know of this guy from like different Go High Level videos he's done, and now he's going really heavily on School. And I like the way he formatted his description here for his group. It's really shows the value of it. So this is his free community, and then he also has a premium community here. So this is his premium community, where you can see exclusive one-on-one daily VIP access, School masterclass, all of that. So I'm really getting a lot of inspo of the way he set his up here. So I like the way he shows this, where it's like get instant access, has all the different things he's offering in here. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. So I like the way I'm kind of gonna mimic some of this. I like the way it's set up. So his is $125 a month. So mine's only $1, guys. So if you guys want to join mine, check that out. But my goal is to build this community up. Eventually, this is going to be the main method of just, getting people to work with our team. Also just like different, maybe eventually, well, okay, so we're going to tailor for agency owners specifically, and then agency owners can potentially use our software as well, work with us, all of that. So that's kind of the game plan there. And then if we go back here, so this is a screenshot of like the form. So what I did is I did the same thing. What's your email? What's your phone number when someone tries to join? I like how this was set up. So I'm just kind of getting some ideas now. So this is kind of the ideation phase. And then, yeah, so that's kind of what I've been up to. So I want to build this up, make this the main thing to do and build, make this the main kind of funnel source. Another person that's doing this right now is 𝗪𝗶𝘁 𝗪𝗶𝘁𝗵. So if we go here to discover communities, if we do scaling. Oh, my arm is hurting from holding this scaling school. There we go. So yeah, so I've been following him for a while now. And then he's going really heavily on school, where he basically is driving all of his traffic to his school community. And you can see he has 993 members on there. So yeah, so this is, I'm placing major bets on this. Alex Hormozi is blowing this up right now. And like I mentioned earlier, code, content, community, and then also collaboration, right? Building a team that's going to help you scale your efforts. So if you liked this style of video, let me know. This is more like raw, uncut, kind of just showing and documenting what I'm doing, what I'm learning, what I'm kind of going through. So if you like this style of video, let me know in the comments below. That's going to be super helpful because all my other videos are not this style. But let me know. This is real, raw, uncut, showing more behind the scenes of what's going on. So cool. Stay tuned for the next one.